In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put a ticket on hold in Jira, a helpful skill that can streamline your project management processes. If you're managing a project using Jira, you likely understand how crucial it is to keep track of various tasks and blockers. Sometimes though, there are situations when a task needs to be paused, say, waiting for a piece of information, or dependent on another task being completed. So let's dive into exploring some methods to mark a ticket as on hold. First, let's talk about utilizing the on hold status within your Jira workflow. This is usually the most straightforward way to indicate that a ticket is currently paused. Go ahead and open the ticket you wish to modify. In the issue view, typically on the right hand side, you'll see a status drop down. If your project has incorporated an on hold status as part of the workflow configuration, this is where you'll find it. Selecting on hold from this drop down menu will instantly mark the ticket appropriately, making it visible to all team members that this task is temporarily suspended. However, not all Jira workflows have an on hold status predefined. If that's the case, consider using custom fields or labels as an alternative. This method involves adding additional data to the ticket to inform others it's on hold. In Jira, you can create a custom field explicitly for this purpose. An example of such a custom field could be on hold reason or dependency. This approach not only signals that the task is paused, but also provides context about why it's held up, which can be quite valuable in team environments. In addition to custom fields, applying labels is another effective strategy. Labels act like tags that can help you group and identify issues according to specific criteria. Within the ticket view, you can create and apply labels such as on hold or paused to those issues where work cannot proceed. This method is very flexible as labels are easy to add, modify and search within Jira. It's particularly useful when you want to filter out or generate reports on issues currently on hold. So there you have it folks, a couple of simple yet powerful methods to mark your Jira tickets as on hold. Whether your workflow supports an on hold status or you need to use custom fields and labels, having a clear strategy for pausing work can significantly enhance transparency and efficiency. Now you can keep everyone informed about the status of the tasks, ensuring smoother sailing for your project. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more Jillable trades tips.